Hey guys, today I will be solving question number 8 from 13.2 exercise class 11th NCERT. So this is the question given: y is equal to x raised to power n minus a raised to power n by x by a. So we have to find dy by dx, derivative of it. So we can use u by v method, correct? And the derivative of u by v, quotient rule, is v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. This is the formula, correct? So we will apply this here. So let me write v. V is x minus a d by dx of x raised to power n minus a raised to power n minus, remember this is minus here, x raised to power n a raised to power n d by dx of x minus a divided by x minus a square, correct? So what will be here? X minus a. Now what is derivative of x raised to power n? This we know, this is a formula, correct? It is n x raised to power n minus 1 minus, what is derivative of a? Usually a, b and c are constant in mathematics. So if a is constant, a raised to power n is also constant. Okay. So derivative of a raised to power n will be 0. Okay. So this is 0 minus this as it is. Derivative of x is 1. Correct. Derivative of x is always 1. And derivative of a will be 0 because it's a constant. So remember d by dx of x is 1. Okay, so these formulas I am applying here by x minus a square. So if you simplify, it will be x minus a n x raised to power n minus 1 minus x raised to power n minus a raised to power n into 1 by x minus a square. This is my answer. Next question. Question number 9, first part. So for these questions we will apply this formula, x raised to power n minus 1, derivatives, correct? Where n may be any constant. It may be 1, 2, 3 or whatever. So what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx will be d by dx of 2x minus d by dx of 3 by 4, correct? These two. So whenever there is a constant with some variable, constant will come out. So d by dx of x minus, what is derivative of constant? Derivative of constant term is always 0. Always remember, d by dx of any constant is always 0. Okay, and what will be d by dx of x, number x? If you check here, d by dx of x power 1. So by this formula, if I apply here 1 for 1, it will be 1 x raised to power 1 minus 1, which is 1 into x raised to power 0. And what is power 0? Is 1 only, correct? Anything power 1, anything power 0 is 1. It is 1. So always remember that derivative of x is always 1. It's a very useful formula. It is 1. So answer will be 2. Next question. This is second part. For this question, we can use, this is first part. 1 second. We can use, this is first part and this is second part, u into v method. So whenever there is u into v, the formula is u as it is dv by dx plus v as it is du by dx. This is the formula we have. Perfect. So here, this is u. Let me write down x cube 3x minus 1 d by dx of x minus 1 plus, remember here it is plus in between, v, which is x minus 1 d by dx of, d by dx of, this will be 5x cube plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into, now we have to differentiate these two. Okay, so derivative of x is 1, always remember, and for this 0 plus x minus 1. So here we have to do d by dx of 5x cube, d by dx of 3x, and d by dx of 1, correct? So let us see here. Remember, d by dx of x cube, how to find out? We will apply this formula. Okay, what is n here? Is 3, and here is 3. So can I write 3x raised to power 3 minus 1, which is 3x square. So this is kind of formula you can memorize because it will be useful in many coming questions. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. It's useful many times. So I will use it here. Let me write down 5x cube so this will be plus 3x minus 1 into 1 plus x minus 1 into, what is the derivative of this? 5 3s are 15 x square. See here, let me show you once again. This is 5 as it is, and what is derivative of this? 3x square plus 3 as it is. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of 1 is 0. So this is my answer. If you want, you can simplify. Next question. This is third part. This is the third part of the question. So can I write this is multiplied inside, correct? So this will be 5 x raised to power minus 3 plus 3x into x raised to power minus 3. We can do that. So this will be 5 x raised to power minus 3 plus 3. What it will become? Power 1 and minus 3. What it will become together? Powers are added. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So x raised to power minus 2. So this is my question. So what will be dy by dx? Derivative. So it will be d by dx of 5x minus 3 plus 3x minus 2. Correct? So 5 as it is for this. D by dx of x minus 3. 3 as it is. D by dx of x minus 2. Now we know this formula, x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. Correct? We all know this formula. Yes? We all know this formula. So this formula is applicable even for negative powers. Always remember, even for negative powers. So if it is x raised to power minus 3, so it will be minus 3 x raised to power what? Minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 x raised to power minus 4. Correct? And if I want for minus 2, d by dx of minus 2, what it will be? N here is minus 2. So it will be minus 2 x raised to power minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 2 x raised to power minus 3. So let me write 5. What I got here? Minus 3 x raised to power minus 4. Correct? See here. Derivative of this is this. Okay, which I am using here. Then plus 3 into what is derivative of this? See here. What is derivative of this? This. So I can use it here. Minus of 2 x raised to power minus 3. The final answer will be minus 15 x raised to power minus 4 minus 6 x raised to power minus 3. This is my final answer. Let's do next one. This is pretty simple question. Just multiply this inside. So this is 3x raised to power 5 minus 6 into, it will be x raised to power minus 9 plus 5. Correct? If we multiply inside, the powers are added. The question is 3x raised to power 5 minus 6 x raised to power minus 4. Now just dy by dx will be what? The same formula we will apply, nx raised to power n minus 1. And remember, this is applicable even for negative powers. Okay. So d by dx of 3x to the power 5 minus 6 d by dx of x raised to power minus 4. Okay, I'm just taking 6 out. Here also, if you want, you can take 3 out. Because whatever is constant coefficients, let's say 3 and 6, they are always taken out of this sign, correct? So 3, what will be derivative of this? 5 into x raised to power 6, 1 extra power minus 6 minus 4 x raised to power minus 4 plus 1. Correct? Here I have directly written. If you want, you can write 5 plus 1. So 3 5s are 15, x raised to power 6 minus this minus and this minus will become plus x raised to power minus 3. So this is my answer. I hope you are doing it. Next question. This is pretty simple, so I will go little fast. This is x raised to power minus 4. Okay, so I can take it inside. X raised to power minus 4 minus 4 into x raised to power minus 9, because minus 4 and minus 5 is minus 9. Now dy by dx will be 3 d by dx of this minus 4 into d by dx of, correct? So 3 into, same formula I am applying, x raised to power n x n minus 1, you can write down. This is the formula, okay? So minus 4 x raised to power minus 5, 4 minus 9 x raised to power minus 10, correct? One power is reducing. I think I did a mistake in the last question. Guys, you can please rectify that problem. In that problem, instead of extra, we have to subtract the powers. Okay. Here, 4 3s are minus 12 x raised to power minus 5. This minus and minus will become how much? I think 36 x raised to power minus 10. So this is my answer. Solve it again. This is next question. In this, let's try to solve it. So in this there are two functions, first and second, and both have u by v method, correct? So let me show you. Can I write dy by dx is d by dx of 2 by x plus 1 minus d by dx of x square by 3x minus 1. In both parts we will apply u by v method. Here also u by v and here also u by v. So let me do this first. Okay. So what was the formula for u by v method? It was v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. This was the formula. Okay, so I will apply here u by v. So remember, this is my u and this is v here. In this case, this is u and this is v. So let me do x plus 1 d by dx of 2 minus 2 as it is, d by dx of x plus 1 by x plus 1 square. We are solving this first. So x plus 1, what is derivative of 2? 0, because it is a constant. Minus 2, what is derivative of x? Is 1. And what is derivative of 1? 0. I am not writing it. By 1 plus 0 is 1 only. X plus 1 square. So what it will be? देखिए इधर ध्यान से, anything into 0 is 0 only, correct? Anything 0. Minus 2 by, this I am not writing because it is gone, by x plus 1 square. So this is done. The first part is done. Now let me do the second part here. This part. So we are doing now this part. Okay, so it will be 3x minus 1 into d by dx of x square, because this is v and this is u, minus u as it is, d by dx of 3x minus 1 by 3x minus 1 square. Okay, so now this will be 3x minus 1. What is derivative of x square? 2x. This we have to memorize. इधर देखिए, these three formulas you should know. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. These three formulas should be on tips. These three formulas should be on tips because we use it multiple times. Minus x square. What is derivative of 3x? 3 as it is, x is 1, and what is derivative of 1? 0 by 3x minus 1 square. Okay, and if you simplify it, so it will be 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 3x square by 3x minus 1 square. So this is my answer. This 0 I have left. So we got first part and this is second part. Okay, and you can combine these two by putting minus sign in between because this was already there. Minus sign was there. I hope you got it. Here these are the formulas that we are using. This is quotient rule and these are the basic formulas. So this was the 9th question. Let's see next one. It says find out, this is question number 10, derivative of cos x from first principle. So from first principle, the formula is limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h, f of x by h. I think everybody knows this formula, correct? So here is the formula for first principle. So let me write down dy by dx for limit h tending to 0 for cos of x plus h minus cos of x by h, correct? So let's simplify it. What is cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d is what? 2 sine minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. This is the formula with minus sign. Remember, with minus sign. I will use it here. Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2. C plus d is, this is c and this is d. Remember, this entire thing is working like c and this thing is working like d. So what will be here? C plus d. It will be 2x plus h by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. C is x plus h minus x. So this will cancel. So it is h. So it will be h by 2 divided by h. Correct? So till here I hope it is clear. Fine. Now we know one limit formula. H is tending to 0. There is one formula for sine. If x is tending to 0, sine of x by x is 1. Remember that. Okay. This formula has hundreds of forms. In this formula, the condition is this x and this x should match. If in this formula we have here, suppose limit x is tending to 0, if I have sine of 3x, then this should be 3x, then also it is 1. Up and down, these two things should match. Then this formula says 1 always. If it is 5x, this is 5x. And this is also 3x. If x is tending to 0, then 3x is automatically tending to 0. Then we don't need to check this very much. Okay. If these two are matching, then it is 1. So here I am thinking, I have sine h by 2 and I have h. These two are not matching. If I can match these two, I can apply this formula. Correct? So how to match it? Can I divide and multiply by 2? Yes or no? Divide and multiply. Yes. So now this part can become easily 1. I hope you understood. By limit formula, you can write down, by that limit formula which says limit x is tending to 0, sin x by x is 1. By this formula, this is pretty much 1. So I can write down limit h is tending to 0 minus of 2 sin 2x plus h by 2 by 2, this is 2, and this all became 1. From here to here became 1 by this limit formula. Now remaining 2 and 2 cancel. Okay. And I can put the limit now. H is 0. So I can put here h is 0. Let me see, minus sine 2x plus 0 by 2. This one 2 divided by 1, because this 2 and 2 cancel. So what I am getting is minus sine of, okay, this is 2x plus 0 is 2x only. Can I write 2x plus 0 is 2x only? And 2 and 2 cancel. So this is minus of sine x. This is very important question. Please practice it 2-3 times on your own. Okay. Next question. This is 11th, first question, sin x into cos x. So in this exercise, we will use some formulas I have given, but I am giving again. Of sin x is cos x. Please write down quickly. Derivative of sin x is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Please write down quickly. Cot x is minus cosec square x. D by dx of sec x is sec x into tan x. And d by dx of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Write this down and we will use it in all the questions. Okay. So here is the first question. So can I use u into v method? So dy by dx will be sin x d by dx of cos x plus, ध्यान से देखिए, cos x d by dx of sin x. Can I do that? Now sin x, what is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Cos x, what is derivative of sin x? Cos x. So what I got here is nothing but, can I call it minus sin square x plus cos square x? And what is cos square minus sin square? We all know is cos 2x. Correct? This is a formula. Cos square minus sin square is cos 2x. Here is the second part, y is equal to sec x. So there is no need, you can just directly write the formula, which is sec x into tan x. Third question is y is equal to 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. So what will be dy by dx? 5 d by dx of sec x plus 4 d by dx of cos x. So it will be 5. What is derivative of sec x? Sec x derivative is this, sec x into tan x plus 4 cos ka minus sin x. That's it. So next part is cosec x. So directly we can write cosec ka derivative is minus cosec x into cot x directly. And for this dy by dx we can directly write derivative of this will be 3 into, because it is into hai, so we have to write 3. And cot का derivative क्या है? This is cot derivative minus of cosec square x plus 4 cosec derivative is this minus cosec x into cot x. ठीक है? Next question. This was fifth part. Next part is pretty simple. Y 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. You try on your own. So dy by dx will be 5. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. And when 7 is alone, when any constant is alone, derivative is 0. So this is my answer. This is the last part. It says y is equal to 2 tan x minus 7 sec x. So dy by dx will be what? 2 as it is. D by dx of tan x minus 7 d by dx of sec x. So 2 as it is. Derivative of tan x is sec square x minus 7. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x. So this is my answer. So here my 13.2 exercise is over, and we'll do miscellaneous in next class. Okay, bye everyone.